The meetup spot is officially burnt. Sheesh. The cops just came in right now, so we're moving out right now, guys. Okay, we got a Camaro. Vergas. What's up? I like it. Le está dando puro gas. Me gusta, me gusta. We got a good amount of people today. Hopefully there's a lot of swingers tonight. They're gonna be here all night. It's a celebration 2-year Annie. So let's get it. Ooh. We got a wide body scatty. Okay. The cop tried to block us right now. He literally blocked 2 people. I went around y le dije que me la chupara por abajo. Sheesh. I'm not gonna say how fast we're going, but damn. Hey, they're not blocking us in tonight, right? I told you. I told you. This is barely the first spot. We can't get blocked right now. Maybe in the 4th spot, I might let myself get blocked. What do you think? What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. We're out here with a special banger right now. It's a 2-year anniversary right now. So you know it's gonna be ratchet, it's gonna be wild, guys. Make sure you share the video and like it. It'll help me in the algorithm, guys. So make sure you do all that. And then follow me on Instagram right here, King Fresh, _I King, to stay up to date. And if you want all the latest music that I post on my videos, you'll get them right there on my stories. Hey, Viva Mexico! We got the beautiful CTSV, we got the Mustang. Ay, verga. That's right. People are trusting the CTSV, they're going in the middle. ¡Qué chulada! Manos for days right there for you. If you buy a CTSV, it comes with manos included. Hey! Dale gas, güey! Baby's being COVID friendly. I like it. Uh-oh. Ay, güey. This is the guy that I always ask, ¿dónde está el carro? He finally brought the carro. Oh, good control right there. That guy's trying to go in reverse. I don't know why. Se me desapareció en el humo el cabrón. The guy's still trying to go in reverse. Oh, ski mask. Okay. No plates. Must be part of the takeover. The laser guy. Another laser guy. Cheers. Okay, we got an Infinity. Okay. I knew him meant business because he has a little Playboy, like a little bunny on the side. That's how I knew he had bars. Damn, he's still going in reverse. It's been like 30 minutes. Sheesh. Somebody tag him below. Who's this reverse guy? Dale de reversa! Me gustan los fans. Hey, you look like my Four Loco. Oh, I like that. I like that. Uh-oh. We got a full house tonight, guys, as you can see, for the 2-year anniversary. This guy's hair is blocking the view right here. Let me elevate. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the next location. The cops didn't come, but we've been here for like 20 minutes already. So we don't want to risk it with the SWAT team coming in and the migra and all that shit. We're gonna go to the next location. Damn, people are eager to get the next spot. Don't do it, bro. I'm glad he didn't. Some guy barely made it. Remind me of Fast and the Furious. Pinche Ben Diesel, Dominic Toretto, la verga. After this spot that we were there for 20 minutes, we have highway patrol. 3 of them already passed by, and we have right here on the right a guy on a bike. Sheesh. Things are gonna get hot tonight, guys.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when we come for you?
Sorry, I'm not really good with the high pitch.
Nice vocals.
That THP already found his prey. And who is it? What the hell was it? A Nissan Altima? I got it. So the next spot's really close to downtown LA, and as you can see, there ain't no surprise here. Choppers in the sky. There's always something going up here in LA. There's actually 2 choppers in the sky, but it's not for the car meet. I have no idea what's it for. We're in the cuts right here, as you can see, downtown LA. Sheesh! Deja Vu, strip club, topless, cocktails, sports bar. Let's get it. And we got a green Mustang out of nowhere. I love it. ¿Dónde están las putas? And the freeway is right on top, guys, the freeway. Mustang. I like this Mustang. Okay. We got the CTSV. Chopper came back. The helicopter lit us up. People always like to see the helicopter, as you can see. It's because the chopper, to be honest, he's a little excited because the strippers are right here, you know, so he's trying to get some action too. I feel it, I feel you, I feel you. We got the chopper in the sky and we're out, baby, vamos a la verga! Guys, the chopper trooper came, multiple cops came. It's lit right now. I'm really enjoying this tour, Annie. Stay tuned, guys. We're on the way to the next location. Oh, turn west, turn west. Oh, we got beautiful downtown LA, baby. There's just too much going on right now, guys.
Stop. Go on the left because you're going to exit right here. You're going to go on that
There's
side.
just way too much stuff going on right now, guys. I'm a little lit. I don't like the fact that they're unlitting me, if that makes any sense.
That really doesn't.
You already know, guys, that when I'm in downtown, it's like I'm having a foursome with 7 bomb girls. Wait, a foursome with 7 bomb girls? A foursome with 4 bomb girls?
7? How does the fuck does that even add up?
Well, 7 something was better.
Are you sure you graduated college?
Hey, King Fresh is actually graduated from college. You wanna see real speed, bitch? We got Spider-Man in the house. You already know I love this spot, even though it smells like pee. Sheesh. Por poquito me mochan el pito. We got a couple units up there, but luckily I parked in the cuts. Tacos super gallitos. Mmm, qué rico. I'll tell you that right now. Sheesh! Hey, there you go, there you go. Bro, what's up, what's up, what's up? Hey, you already know, you already know, you already know. Hey, what's up, bro, what's up, what's up? That's right, that's right.